Hello, I'm Lauren, and I'm the brand representative for Beetles Gel Polish today at the Impact Global Connect event. So yes, we are one of the top gel polish on Amazon, and we're also very popular on TikTok. And this is one of our newest gift set. It's the A Few Kiss gift set.
What's special about it?
Well, it's actually representative of the Zodiac sign and the energy. And in it, we have some pendant and all the nail art brushes and the nail lamp for a full nail look, so that you don't have to purchase these separate.
So that means it can be practical on travel as a travel kit also?
Yes, it could fit any bag because the bottles are pretty small. So the box.
What do we see here?
So these are just kind of like decorations. So Beetle comes out with very different gift set every season, every month pretty much. We also have a Valentine's gift set coming up. So this is just one of them. And usually in these boxes, we design different small merches and put in those.
And it says here, full line nail brand in the USA.
Yes.
So is it high quality? What's the idea with this brand?
Well, at first it was just a retail brand sold on Amazon, but right now it's entering more retail stores like Walmart and also Target, CVS coming up soon. So yeah, definitely look forward to that next year or this year.
And here we see a lot of colors.
Yeah, so usually in the Beetles gift set, we provide like 20, 30 plus colors. The bottles are pretty small, but it gives people more choices, so you don't have to stock up on big bottles at your house.
So in the gift set is not only those, there's more?
Well, for this gift set, this is what's in it, but we have a bunch of different variety of gift sets too. So yeah, we also have a brief introduction of the brand here.
Because I know that nail polish has all kinds of different quality levels.
Yes.
And the professionals who work with this, they want to get really high quality that stays for a long time.
Well, Beetles is high quality, but the price is very budget friendly for everyone to use. Buy at home for DIY nails as well. So yeah, I say the quality is good for its price, definitely.
And what kind of gift set, what's in that box usually?
Yeah, this one's more like a starter kit, so it has everything in it, a nail filer, we have the lamp also, basically everything you need for a simple nail look. So yeah.
All right, and is it launching in Europe?
Not yet, but
Just US?
yes, right now, for now, it's US.